Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the most basic cables in crochet. If you are afraid to do cables, I mean, this is definitely the pattern for it. It's absolutely stunning, and it's less complicated than it looks. I'm using for my jumper, this is going to be a jumper, Marble Chunky, color MC45 and a lot 4997. This is, the yarn comes in 200 gram. I have to admit that in this lot I have found quite a few knots which I'm not happy about, and the color doesn't flow when the yarn is knotted, but I've made it work, I think. So it's going to be a very warm jumper for this winter for me. Now the pattern, we need to change 27, that is for this sample. Otherwise the we need to change chain multiples of 10 plus 7. We need to have 26 double crochet. I've done my first row, and now we're going to continue with the second row with chain 2. That counts as a double crochet, and we do 3 more double crochets in the next 3 stitches. 3, there we go. So we have in total 4 double crochets. We need to skip 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th one we will do double treble crochet in the US, or triple treble. So we have double treble, double treble, that's in the US. In the UK we have treble, double treble and triple treble in the 4th double crochet from the last stitch. So we do from post and we do our stitch. For cables, they're usually done with a from post, and we do this stitch, double treble or treble, triple treble, in the next 3 stitches. So we will have 3 from post stitches, and this is how it's going to look. What we do then is we need to turn our work like this. So our work is here. We need to work in these 3 stitches. However, we need to work them behind these 3. So what we do is we turn our work like this. So we have 1, 2, 3, the 3 that we've skipped, and we again, let me see, yeah, yarn over 3 times, and we do a double treble or triple treble in those 3 stitches. I'm doing it, yeah. 2, and the 3rd one is here. This is a bit tricky, however it's manageable because yarn is bendy and we just need to put it out of the way. So this is how it's going to look, our first cable. Then we go 4 double crochets on the next stitches, 4 stitches, that's treble in the UK, and 4, and we do the same thing, 1, 2, 3. On the 4th one we make double treble or triple treble in the UK, and we repeat that same stitch 2 more times in the next 2 stitches, and then we will work again in the stitches that we have skipped. Now it does look a bit complicated, but it's not at all, especially if you know which stitches are you working. So these are my 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, that I need to work. And what I usually do, I put my finger on the first stitch like this, and then just work on that one. And 4, there we go. And then we find the next one. So we kind of dig in really into the fabric that we're trying to make. There we go. And the 3rd one, where are we? Here. So that's our second cable. And then we don't work on the same one where we've done the front posts. We work on the next one, and we have 4 double crochets here. 2, 3, and 4. There we go. So this is how our work looks after the two rows. The next row, we chain 2, counts as a double crochet or treble in the UK. We do again 4 double crochets and 4. There we go. And what we do here is we do a treble or double treble in the UK. That's yarn over twice, and then we do back post double crochet. There we go. In order to continue the cable up. So we do it first, the first 3. Make sure there are 3. And there's the second 3. This one can be quite hidden, but knowing that we need to do 6, 3, it helps. Now we do this one and the 6th one. There we go. Now we do 4 double crochet or treble in the UK. 3 and 4. And the next one we do treble in the US and double treble in the UK for the next 6 stitches. Just be careful to make the back post double crochets in right order. We don't want to skip. There we go. 3, and then we have 4, and then we have 5, and then we have 6. And then we do the double crochet treble in the UK for the next 4 stitches. 3 and 4. There we go. So our cables will start looking like this. So this side goes to the right and this one goes to the left. Now we can chain 2 and we continue the next stitch. The next row is the same as the second row. So the first row is a foundation row, so we don't count that one. I would say then we have the first row in which we skip the first 3 and then we add the cable front post. Then we have the second row, which is back post in the cable, and the third row will be exactly the same as the first row. So I will do it again. 2, 3. We have 4 double crochet treble in the UK. We skip the first 3. We yarn over 3 times, and then we go in the 4th one from post. 4, and then again 3 times, and then we go back to the skip stitches, which will make a continuation of the cable. There we go. 3, 4. Okay, that's 4. Then we have the next one. So when you're working on these skip stitches, don't be afraid to pull the yarn. I mean, it's gonna bounce back. It's not gonna break. As we know, yarn is quite resilient. And there we go. That's the last one. So we've done 6, and then we do 4. I'm just going to do these 4, and then I'm going to show you how beautiful it looks. 3 and 4. There we go. So we have our little cable there. This one goes that way, and then we will go here. Then with the double crochet we'll come here, and then again. There you go. Bye bye.